Greetings and welcome to this week's Prime Insight. My name is Gavin Gooden. I'm the Marketing Director here at Blast One. Today we're excited to get back out into the field again. COVID-19 has knocked us out for about 2 months. Today I want to remind you about the importance of having your equipment well maintained. Your equipment might not have been used for 2 months. As it gets back out there on Jobsite, make sure you guys are doing the proper daily maintenance checks. Because one day lost on a job site costs you far more than a simple repair kit. So our Master Technician Kerry is going to take you through some important checks you may not have thought through before, and then we've got some free download checklists that you can take advantage of. So thanks for tuning into this week's Primed Insight. We'll see you next week.
Hello and welcome to this week's Primed Insight. Have you ever had a piece of equipment fail during a job because scheduled maintenance was missed? By missing a single check or by delaying a check, there's the possibility of a danger to employees, and the equipment could also be compromised. Completing daily maintenance checks of equipment could mean that possible faults, wear and other potential safety problems are identified before potential damage is caused. These checks should be completed prior to work commencing each day to maximise productivity and to ensure safety of workers. Head to blast1.com to download the daily component and work area checklist and risk assessment worksheet. Always consider the environment, your impact and what you may leave behind from poorly maintained equipment such as oils and contaminated water. Checklists create a format of adherence. Incorporate checklists into a toolbox talk to monitor maintenance, performance and compliance. Take this worksheet on site to complete your daily checks and ensure your work area and blast equipment are complying with safety standards. Thanks for watching this week's Primed Insight. See you next time.